Yesterday we had an introduction to New Zealand flora, where we looked at trees and trunks and flowers and why they are really important for our ecosystem and for our native animals. Today we're going to look closer at leaves. Just to recap some main points from yesterday, we have that leaves come in all shapes and sizes. They can be long, short, round, oval, or needle-like. And here are some examples. The cabbage tree, which are needle-like. Our kowhai trees, which is small and rounded. And our manuka leaves, which is short and spiky and very narrow. Leaf edges. Are the edges of these leaves toothed or smooth? So looking at the edges of these leaves, toothed or smooth. Some edges of leaves are wavy and some others are straight. So on this here, I can see that the edges of this leaf are toothed. These ones are smooth. Leaves also have different arrangements on the stem. So that just means where they sit on the stem. You can see here that these leaves alternate on the stem. So they go from there to the next one to the next one. So they alternate side to side. Whereas a kowhai leaf are opposite. So the leaves are directly in front of each other. You have two parts of your task today. Using the leaves that you've collected, explore the textures, colours and patterns of the leaves. For example, the mahoe leaf has a smooth texture, a papery feel, bright green colour, and lined patterns and veins. And here is a bit more of a close-up of their description. So here you can see the shape of the leaf. You can see the veins that they're describing. And you can also see here we learnt about the edge of the leaf here. And you can see that is a tooth-edged. For the second part of your task, you need to use the leaf guide, which is on the slideshow, to observe features of the leaves to group the leaves you've found. So you want to group them together. So if their leaves had sharp pointy parts to it, you might group those all together. If you had leaves that had these toothed edges, maybe you want to put those together. Maybe if they were needle-like or heart-shaped, you might group those together. This is the leaf guide that you'll find on the slide that you could use to group your leaves that you found.